So good morning everyone. Our topic for today is all about climate change here in our Earth.
Ano meron, ma'am? End of the world na po.
Ha? End of the world na? Teka, hindi pa ako nakaka-amin sa crush ko.
End of the world, pero buti na lang girlfriend ko mundo ko.
Tapos na ba kayo? Hindi ba kayo nanonood ng news? Hindi nagbabasa ng articles? Kaya naisip ninyo na end of the world na. Ay nako. Let me educate you about what just happened, okay? Listen very carefully. So scientists protest after the report of the IPCC or the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, stating that there should be a rapid reduction of greenhouse gas and it must be done by 2025 to mitigate the global warming. We've been warned by them for years, pero hindi pa rin tayo nakinig. Now we only have 3 to 5 years to save the Earth, and it's time to make a move.
Anong kailangan gawin, ma'am?
Good question. Start by downloading EcoSia application for web browsing. As much as possible, use eco or tote bags for groceries. Water conservation, unplug electronics if hindi mo naman ginagamit, delete unwanted emails, don't burn plastics, and spread this information by sharing some articles.
Ma'am, individual efforts would be enough to make a difference.
I understand that we're running out of time. And parang mas magandang mag-take ng giant leap to save the Earth. Kailangan din namang kumilos ng mga large companies, but let's not invalidate the little steps, okay? We're not just helping the Earth, the environment. We're also helping ourselves.
Makes sense. Thank you for educating us, ma'am.
You're welcome.